Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making Asazuke, a Japanese salt pickle where nothing but salt turns crisp vegetables into something deeply flavorful. A small side dish, but a daily staple in Japanese homes. Asazuke is a lightly pickled Japanese side dish, quickly prepared and usually eaten within a day, unlike most tsukemono, which are made to preserve vegetables for weeks or even months. There are several ways to make it, but today we're using just salt. The salt slowly draws out excess moisture, concentrating the flavor and giving you a crisp, satisfying texture along with the vegetable's natural taste. It's perfect for whenever you want an easy, delicious way to eat more vegetables. Give it a try with your favorite vegetables. Alright, let's start cooking. We're using cabbage, daikon radish, carrot, cucumber, celery, and ginger here. Before cutting, wash the vegetables well and pat them dry. Leftover moisture dilutes the salt and makes the finish watery. Using both the cabbage leaves and core gives you two textures and two kinds of sweetness. Slicing the daikon thinly helps the salt penetrate quickly, even in a short time, while keeping its crisp texture. Carrot adds a pop of color along with a pleasant bite. Cucumber is high in water, so slicing too thin weakens the texture. Keep a moderate thickness for a crisp bite. With the large cucumbers, halve them lengthwise and spoon out the seeds to release less moisture. For the celery, remove the tough strings from the surface if they bother you. Slicing on the diagonal cuts the fibers for a tender, easy bite. Celery has a strong aroma, but salting mellows it just enough, leaving a clean, refreshing note. Cut the ginger into fine matchsticks, leave the skin on for more fragrance. Ginger's bright aroma and gentle heat bring the whole dish into focus, leaving a light, clean finish. Keeping all the vegetables roughly the same size helps the salt spread evenly, so everything pickles at the same rate. Sprinkle the salt over the vegetables and gently toss for a minute or two. The amount of salt is 1 to 2% of the vegetable's total weight, so weigh them beforehand. Mix just enough for the salt to coat everything evenly. Pressing too hard can bruise the vegetables. Salt isn't just there to add saltiness. It draws out excess moisture, which firms up the texture, helps the flavors come together, and brings out the vegetable's natural sweetness and umami. Transfer the vegetables to a storage bag. Press out as much air as you can. Place a flat plate or tray on top and weigh it down. A 500 to 600 milliliter bottle of water works well. The weight helps the moisture release evenly, so everything pickles uniformly. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to an hour before serving, or 2 to 3 hours for a deeper flavor. Arrange on a plate to serve, topped with white sesame seeds or bonito flakes if you like. Simple, yet surprisingly deep. That's Asazuke. Try it with your favorite vegetables and share it on Instagram. We'd love to see which vegetables you used and how they turned out, and it just might inspire someone else to try. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.